Hello students, this is Venkatagiri sir. Today I will teach height and distance, which is actually related to the trigonometry only. Now in a height and distance, where it is basically used. Height and distance is basically used to determine the height of the buildings or the height of the poles or the distance between the two buildings or the 2 points. Now let AB is on tower or a pole is there. A person is standing at a point C, that is a horizontal point. AC is a line of sight which is seeing to the upper point A. So now the angle formation between B, C and A, that is called the angle of elevation when he sees to the top of the building. So T B is CA is the angle of elevation, or ACB is an angle of elevation. Now similarly, if a person is standing or sitting on the top of the building, if you want to see the ground or the bottom of the building, so now when the AC is towards the C direction, he sees that one, that is the line of sight. So the angle formation is DAC is the angle of the depression. Now the angle of the depression and the angle of the elevation both are the equal, because AD and BC is a parallel line and AC is a transversal line. So therefore they become as an alternative angles. Now by using of this rule, now we have to find out the height of the building or distance between the two poles or the boats or whatever may be, it is given in the questions. We will solve one problems by using this height and distance. In a problem in our textbook, the first problem is, that is the angle of elevation of the top of the pole from the point on the level of the ground and 15 meter away from the pole is 30 degree. Find the height of the pole. So here AB is a pole. Let the height of the pole be the AB. The angle of the elevation is ACB is equal to 30 degree. And the distance between the pole to the point where the person is standing, that is BC, is 15 meter. Now in a right angle triangle ABC, we know that one height BC, we know that we have to find out AB. Therefore by using tan 30 is equal to height by base, therefore that is equal to AB by BC. Now tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3, that is equal to AB by 15. Now cross multiplying, we are getting 15 by root 3. Now rationalizing it, 15 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. So you are getting that one 15 root 3 by 3. Now 3 will be 15 and 3 5 15, so 5 root 3. Now root 3 value is equal to 1.732. Substituting that value, and we are getting that one 5 into 1.732 is equal to 8.66 meter. Hence the height of the pole is equal to 8.66 meters. Similarly, another one problems, we will solve that one. The problem is, that is an exercise, that is an problem 4. A kite is flying with the thread 80 meter long. If the thread assumed to stretch straight and makes an angle of elevation 60 degree with the horizontal, find the height of the kite from the above the ground. So here we will take it, the height of the kite is equal to AB and the length of the thread AC is equal to 80 meter. The angle of the elevation, it is a makes ACB is equal to 60 degree. So we are here know that one, AC we know that one, and we have to find out AB. Therefore, in a right angle triangle ABC, sin 60 degree is equal to AB by AC. Sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. That is equal to AB by AC value is equal to 80. So we substitute that one. Now after cross multiplication, AB is equal to 80 root 3 by 2. After reducing 80 to 2, that is 40 root 3. Now 40 root 3, substituting the root 3 value is 1.732. Then we are getting 40 into 1.732 is equal to 69.28 meters. Therefore, the height of the kite from the ground level is equal to 69.28 meters. Let's students, another problem we will solve that one. That is an exercise problem, that is an 8. Let's see, from 2 points A and B on the same side of the building, the angle of the elevation of the top of the building are 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. The height of the building is 10 meter. Find the distance between A and B. Now A and B are the 2 points same side of the building. Let the height of the building CD is equal to 10 meter. Let the distance between the 2 points A and B is equal to x meter. Now the angle of elevation is equal to 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. Now first we will take it the triangle BCD. Tan 60 is equal to CD by BC. Now tan 60 value is equal to root 3 and CD value is equal to 10. BC we don't know, therefore we keep it as a BC. Therefore BC is equal to, after cross multiplication we are getting 10 by root 3. Now again we will take it another triangle ACD. The angle of elevation is equal to 30 degree. Height is equal to 10 meter. Therefore tan 30 degree is equal to CD by AC. Now tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 and CD is equal to 10 meter. AC is equal to AB plus BC because we know the value of BC. Now AB plus BC is equal to 10 root 3 after cross multiplication we are getting. Now AB, substitute the BC value 10 by root 3 is equal to 10 root 3. Now AB is equal to x. Therefore x is equal to 10 root 3 and minus 10 by root 3. We are taking to the other side. Now taking the LCM, we are getting that one root 3 is an LCM. So 10 into 3 minus 10 by root 3, that is equal to 30 minus 10 by root 3, that is equal to 20 by root 3. Therefore, x is equal to 20 by root 3 value is equal to 1.732. That is equal to, after taking the decimal, we are getting 20 into 1000 by 1732. That is equal to 20,000 by 1732. After dividing, we are getting 11.55 meter. Hence, the distance between A and B is equal to 11.55 meters. So students, in the same way, by using these applications, you can solve the remaining problems. If you have any doubts, later we will be clear it. Okay, thank you.